Introduce you to my new best friend here. His name is Link. He's my buddy. He loves to play fetch. Ready? Here we go. He don't care if Dad can throw that thing good or not. He brings it right back to me. Look at him. He's ready to go again. Ready? There you go. Wish I had half of his energy. Hey, good boy. You bring it right back to Dad's feet every time. Yes. Well, you better bring it here. Yeah. You better bring it here. You gonna say hi to everybody, Link? You better say hi. Ready? Here we go. He is just full of energy. Yeah, bring it back. Yo, there you go. You better get it over here. He is ready. You ready to go again, Link? You gonna say hi to everybody? Yeah, okay. He's styling this morning. He got one ear up. One ear folded over. Ready? Here we go. He is my boy. I love this dog. Yeah, love this dog. Yeah, okay, you ready? I'm gonna take and you better say hi to everybody. There you go, buddy. Y'all have a great day. I'm gonna play fetch with Link some more. Play with your dogs. They're our best friends. They understand everything. Be safe out there. Have a good day. Bye.